Ever worried you might miss a crucial clause in the Saudi National Electrical Code and face shutdowns on site? You're not alone. In fact, many engineers and inspectors find SBC 401 complex until they see how it applies in real installations. I'm here to tell you about mastering SBC 401, ensuring electrical safety in Saudi Arabia from Agile Leaders Training Center. It's a 5-day blended program crafted by experts who've chaired code committees and overseen installations across the kingdom. This course is for electrical engineers, compliance officers, safety inspectors, and anyone who needs to design, install, or verify low-voltage systems under SBC 401. You'll learn how to interpret every requirement, from protection against electric shock to earthing arrangements, so you can confidently sign off on installations. You'll also gain the ability to troubleshoot voltage disturbances and select equipment that meets local standards, avoiding costly delays. Plus, the training blends theory with hands-on exercises and case studies, so you won't just hear the rules, you'll apply them. Ready to upgrade your skills and protect your projects? Join the course via the link below.